Good morning, student. Today we will complete our remaining activities. I am on page number 59. It is connected to our chapter where does it come from. Now, student, in this activity, the table shows some raw materials and their uses. Complete the table. Now, student, first of all, raw material. Raw materials means grey goods and raw produce. It means कच्ची धातु कच्ची सामग्री. We call it raw materials. Okay. And now here is a table. Minerals, pictures and uses. Minerals, pictures and uses. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now mineral first, copper. Picture, wire is, you see the wire is here. Uses, used to make utensils, electric wire and jewelry through copper. Okay, now then it is 5.5 pep, friends. Okay, now copper is done. Uses, used to make utensils, electric wires and jewelry. So utensils is pots and dishes. We call it utensils. Now then iron. These are the pots used to make steel. Steel is used in construction and to make utensils, vehicles, parts and heavy machines. What is the uses of iron? Iron used to make steel first of all, and steel is used in construction and to make utensils. Utensils mean dishes and pots, vehicle parts and heavy machines. किस काम आता है आयरन? आयरन आता है सबसे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेक स्टील, स्टील बनाने में. सेकेंड, कंस्ट्रक्शन जब भी होता है, कोई मकान बनता है तो उसमें कोई बिल्डिंग बनती है उसमें यूज़ होता है आयरन का. और उसके अलावा यूटेंसिल्स हैं, मतलब पॉट्स, व्हीकल पार्ट्स एंड हैवी मशीन्स बनाने में भी आयरन काम में आता है. आफ्टर दैट एल्युमिनियम. एल्युमिनियम, ओके, पिक्चर इज दिस. एल्युमिनियम यूज इन कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड टू मेक पार्ट्स ऑफ एरोप्लेन्स, ऑटोमोबाइल पार्ट्स, फूड पैकिंग, फॉयल एंड यूटेंसिल्स. बहुत यूजेस होते हैं एल्युमिनियम के. एरोप्लेन और इनके जो सबसे ज़्यादा काम आता है एल्युमिनियम. और फूड पैकिंग होती है, फॉइल पेपर जो होता है वो भी एल्युमिनियम का ही होता है. और यूटेंसिल्स में भी एल्युमिनियम के जो पॉट्स होते हैं, बर्तन होते हैं, वो काम में लेते हैं कई लोग. ओके, तो सो मैनी यूजेस ऑफ एल्युमिनियम. गोल्ड, यस, पिक्चर इज दिस. एंड यूजेस, write the uses here. Gold is used to make ornaments, idols and biscuits, etc. So gold is used to make ornaments, idols, biscuits and etc. Calcium, milk bottle is this. What is the uses of calcium? Calcium found in milk, which is used to make curd, butter and cheese. Calcium found in milk, which is used to make curd, butter and cheese. Student, these line write it here. Which line is this? Calcium found in milk, which is used to make curd, butter and cheese. Okay, so this table is completed. After that, move on next page, that is 60, page number. Map is here and figure 3 show the availability of certain raw materials across the country. Figure 4 show the location of industries that depends on these materials. Materials means stuff and goods. Study the map and complete the given table. It is the table. This is a map, India map this is, and political map is this. Iron and cotton in India. Tools are here. Iron tool and cotton tool also here. Then in bottom, figure 3 map showing the distribution of iron and cotton in India. How we found it? We found by help of the tools. Iron is in circle and cotton is a flower of cotton. Okay, so it is very easy to find cotton. Why it is very easy? Because we know the tools of the cotton. That's why we found it very easily. Okay, and iron also, red dot is iron, red. Okay, so it is very easy when we know the tools of the particular things, and so we easily find out. So student, figure 3 show the availability of certain raw materials across the country. Figure 4 show the location of industries. Industries को locate किया हुआ है. Industries for what? Iron and cotton industries. Okay, that depend on these materials. Study the map and complete the given table. So through these tools we easily identify the location of iron and cotton industries. Okay students. Okay, now then move on next. Page 61. Industries in India. In previous page, we study about the iron and cotton in India. Okay, and on that page, we study about industries in India. It is also India map. Political map is this. Industries in India. Tool also here. Steel industry and cotton textile industry. And it is very easy to identify because we know the tools of the steel industry and we also know the tools of cotton textile industry. First of all, students, industry means diligence. Diligency, udyog. It is diligency, industry. Okay, and through these tools we easily identify where steel industry located and where is cotton textile industry is located. Okay, steel industry here, it is very easy to identify because we know the tool of the steel industry, and after that cotton textile industry we also know it where it is cotton textile industry is located. So student, in this chapter we study about where does it come from. Minerals, materials कहाँ से आते हैं ये हम इस चैप्टर में स्टडी कर रहे हैं. एंड स्टार्टिंग we study about the agriculture crop. It is two type, cash crop and subsistence crop. Cash crop, crops that are grown for sale to make a profit, we call it cash crop. Subsistence crop, crop grown for use by the farmer and his family or to be fed to livestock, farm animals, we call it subsistence crops. Okay friends. After that we studied about raw materials. It is grey goods and raw produce. Mining based industry, we know the how many type, what is mining and what is mines. So what is mining? The process by which the raw materials are dug out from under the earth is called mining, and the areas from where they are dug out are called the mines. After that we studied about Pictures, minerals, pictures and uses of them. Copper, what is the uses of copper, iron, aluminium, gold and calcium. After that, on 60 page number we study about the iron and cotton in India, where is these industries located, and page number 61 we studied about industries in India, steel industry and cotton textile industry. Okay student, so we will meet in next video tomorrow. Thank you so much to listening me students.